Well, I just popped the valve cover open and what, did this thing sit face first into a swamp? What is this? Okay, looks like most of it scrapes off. I don't know how any of this got in there. I'm gonna have to take the shop vac to this, it looks like. But make sure to clean out the oil galleries. Yeah, I don't know how any of this got in there, but it looks like it just scrapes off. Actually, I just took the shop vac to it. It's not that bad. It looks all on the surface, and the springs are actually still in pretty good shape. So, I'll have to play around with these, but crisis possibly averted. Underside of the valve cover, you can see exactly where, yeah, maybe it did get water in it at some point. Because that's the side that still looks new, and this is the side with the rust. That'd be my analysis.